Believe it or not, insects are animals just like you and me. Insects are the most diverse and numerous group of animals on Earth, with over 1 million identified species. These species account for more than half of all known living organisms, and beetles comprise about 1/3 of all known insect species. Beetles form the order Coleoptera, which in Latin means folded wing, and they constitute the largest group of animal species on Earth. With around 400,000 identified species, beetles are the largest of all orders and make up almost 40% of all insects and 25% of known animal species. With such great diversity, it is no surprise that beetles inhabit a great number of ecosystems and live a great number of different lifestyles. Nevertheless, all beetles go through 4 distinct changes in form throughout their life cycle. Depending on the species, female beetles will lay hundreds of eggs. Eggs can be deposited on leaves, rotten wood, and animal feces. Some beetle species even keep their eggs inside themselves and give birth to live larvae. As larva beetles are worm-like in appearance and have insatiable appetites. As the larvae grow, they must discard their exoskeleton. This is called molting and occurs as many as 10 times before the larvae enter the pupal stage. The pupal stage of a beetle's life cycle is where the greatest change in form takes place. The beetle larvae form a pupa or cocoon. During this stage, the larva goes through a metamorphosis and takes the shape of an adult beetle. The final stage of the beetle life cycle is the adult stage. This is the stage of a beetle's life where its form is most commonly recognizable to humans. Beetles differ from all other winged insects by having the first pair of wings hardened and thickened. The hard forewings function as a protective shield for the delicate flying wings that are folded underneath. Another characteristic of the beetles is that beetles chew their food. The beetle's scissor-like jaws are perfect for devouring plants, other insects, carcasses, pollen, or dung. Some water beetles even eat small fish and tadpoles. The Hercules beetle is the largest of all beetles. They are a type of rhinoceros beetle and are one of the many different types of beetles in the scarab family. Males can be identified by their large horns, which females do not have, as well as their massive size. The aptly named Hercules beetle can lift over 100 times its own weight. Some Hercules beetles have been measured at up to 7 inches in length, including their horns, and although they look ferocious, Hercules beetles are not a threat to humans. Males use their intimidating horns to fight with other males when competing for mates. These rare beetles are native to South and Central America, and their diet is strictly herbivorous. With such great diversity, it is really no surprise that beetles live a great number of different lifestyles. Beetles can be found in a myriad of sizes, shapes, and colors and inhabit virtually all terrestrial and freshwater environments on Earth. As you can see, beetles really are some of the most diverse and unique creatures on the planet. So the next time you see a beetle, remember it's definitely not your average bug.